Today's lesson is the second lesson in Chapter 5. Use the multiplication table. What we're going to do today, we will use the multiplication table to solve questions like these questions. Multiplication and division questions. And we need to think of the related facts that we can use to solve division questions. To start, I need you to open your book's page
232.
Yes, my heroes. Go ahead, everyone. Open your books, page 232.
Open it.
Great. Do not use your mic to say that you opened the page. Just open it. And let's start with a question. And the question is 2 times what number equals 0? If you have the answer, just raise your hand. Okay, Muhammad Kumel.
We don't can.
We cannot do it?
Yes, because the first.
Okay, but this is multiplication, not division.
0.
Yes, Muhammad, 0. Because it's multiplication, not division. Of course, if it's 2 divided by... Oh, yes, this is we cannot divide 2 by 0. But multiplication, yes, we can multiply 2 times 0.
I don't see the multiplication.
Okay, Muhammad. Thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, let's take another question. 15 divided by what number equals 5? If you have the answer, just raise your hand. Muhammad Hani?
Yes, teacher. It's 3.
Excellent. Would you please explain why the answer is 3?
You can just multiply the 5 with 3, you get 15.
Yes, exactly. Because 5...
And the opposite.
And what?
And the opposite like 3 multiply 5 equals 15.
Yes, we can use commutative property to change the order. That's right. Thank you, Muhammad. Okay, my heroes. Now let's move to the book. And here on page 232, we have 2 examples here in the top. And for these examples, I'll use this page. In the first one, we need to use the multiplication table to find 6 times 3. Please focus, my heroes. This is how we use the multiplication table. We need to find the number where the row for 6 and the column for 3 meet. Okay, let's see on the timetable here, on the multiplication table here. We have the row for 6, this row, and the column for 3, this column. They meet where? 18. So, that's how we use the multiplication table. The row for 6 and the column for 3. Now in the next example, we need to use the multiplication table to find 72 divided by 8. So, to find 72 divided by 8, we need to find 72 in the row for 8. The row for 8 is this row. And 72 is here. Now, in what column is 72? Let's go up, go up, go up, go up. Yes, 9. So, 8 times 9 equals 72. And now we say that 72 divided by 8 equals 9. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Now, let's go back to the book. Where is the book? This one. And here we have these questions. And let's see these questions. Oh, in these questions, we need to use the multiplication table. So I need to show you the multiplication table and the questions at the same time. So I will make it a little bit smaller so we can see now the multiplication table at the same time with the questions that we will solve. And let's start with the first one. Ibrahim Thwaiqab.
Yes, teacher.
Question number 1.
Question number 1. 4 multiplied by 7 equals 28.
Yes, that's right, but you didn't use the multiplication table.
Because the 4 up
in the row,
down
in the row,
7.
In which row?
In the row.
In the row for 4, this row, and in the column for?
And the column for 7.
For 7. So they meet here at 28. Excellent. Thank you, my hero.
Because 7 rows and 4 columns equals 28.
You mean 4 in the column, in the row of 4,
yes.
And in the column of 7. And of course, in multiplication, we can change the order. Okay, I understand that. Okay, Ibrahim, thank you. Abdurrahman Al-Jassim?
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead.
10 by 9 equal 90.
Abdurrahman, use this table.
Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40,
yes,
50,
in the row, this row.
80, 90.
And in this column, they meet here at 90. Thank you, Abdurrahman. Okay, my heroes, I know that you know the answer already, I know. But today we are learning, what are we learning today? How to use this table.
How we use multiplication table.
Yes. So even if you know the answer, and you know the answer, that's easy for you. But I need you to use the table every time. Aisa?
Yes, teacher. 1 multiply 6.
In which row?
Equal 6.
Again?
1.
In which row?
1.
You are repeating yourself, Aisa. Listen to me.
Equal 6.
Aisa, listen to me. In which row and which column? In the row for 1. So this is the row for 1. And in this row, we need to see where we intersect with the column for 6. The column for 6 is this column. So they intersect here at this one. So, yes, exactly. So the answer is 6. Thank you, my hero. Let's erase this all and write the answer 6. Faris?
Yes. 20 divided by.
So we will start with the related multiplication.
5.
In the row of 5, okay. So this is the row of 5.
5 multiply 4 equal 20.
Would you please, Faris, use the multiplication table?
4 rows.
Yes. Yes. In which
And
column?
5 cells.
Faris. Again.
Yes.
In which row?
4 rows.
In 4.
And
Wait. In the row. For the 4, this row. For the 4, this row.
20.
In this row. You are not responding to
Yes.
me. No,
Yes.
of course. In the row 4, 5.
5.
Not 4. Okay, so this row, we need to find 20. Go here. Yes, this is 20 here. This one. And now, when you get to 20, think of which column is this?
4.
Exactly. So that's how we use the multiplication table here. So it's 4. Okay, Faris?
Okay.
Thank you, my hero. So, my heroes, here we have the related multiplication. 5 times 4 equals 20. So 20 divided 5 equals 4. Qusay?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Qusay, listen carefully. You will start with the multiplication table, okay? You need to use the multiplication table. So, where should you start? In which row?
Rows 2.
Okay, this is the row of 2. What number should we find?
12.
Okay, let's search here in this one. Oh, this is 12 here. Now, in which column is this?
6.
So it's 2 multiplied by 6 equals 12. Let's erase this all and let's make it clear. Now, because 2 times 6 equals 12, so 12 divided 2 equals
6.
Yes, Qusay?
6.
Thank you. Kareem?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, you should use the multiplication table, Kareem. In which row?
9.
Yes, in the row of 9.
9.
We need to find 27. So, yes, this is 27. So, go up to see which column is this.
3.
3. So, 9 times
3
equals 27. And 27 divided by 9 equals?
27.
Yes, 27 divided by 9 equals 3. Thank you, Kareem. I like your answer. So, my heroes, you should use the multiplication table for all these questions. Qais? Qais? My hero, use your mic. Qais. Qais? Yes, Qais, go ahead. Okay, the sound is not clear. Okay, 32 divided by 4. So, we go to the row 4, 4, this row. And we need to find? Yes, we need to find what? 32. And now, we need to see in which column is 32. Yes, 8. So 32 divided by 4 equals 8. Thank you, Qais. And my hero Qais, you have a problem with the mic. Please try to find another mic in the next session. I can't hear you well. Still cannot hear you well. Okay, Majid? Majid?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Question number 8. In the row 4. In which row?
5.
In 5. This is not 5, my hero.
7.
Yes, we need to find
84.
49. So in the row for 7, we need to find in this row of 7, we need to find 49. Oh, this is the 49 here. In which column is this 49?
7.
So 7 multiplied by 7 equals 49. And 49 divided by 7 equals 7. Okay. Muhammad Subai.
Yes.
Question number 9.
Question number 9. Okay. 56 divided 8 equal.
In which row? Use the table.
We have to see the multiplication table.
Yes.
The multiplication table of 8.
The row for
And
8. This row. Okay. And
Yeah,
what number should we find here?
We'll have to find 56.
Okay, let's find 56. Yes, this is 56 here.
Yeah, that's 56. And we all have the count that we all have to go up.
Okay, so we need to find which column is this. So
going up, and we all see the 7.
Excellent, Muhammad. I like
so
your answer.
The
Wow.
answer is 7.
So 8 multiplied by
7 equals 6.
And 56.
If 56 divided 8 equals 7.
Muhammad, I like
so
your answer.
7.
I like how you explain. Thank you, my hero. Muhammad Hani?
Yes, teacher.
For the next question, Muhammad, we need to do something more. We need to write the related multiplication equation. Then use the multiplication table again to complete the related fact. Okay?
We multiply 6 by 7 equals 42. Then
Okay.
the answer is
Your answer
7.
Yes, your answer is 7, but I will not write it. Why I will not write it? Because you should use the table to find the 7.
Yes, we go to the 6 factor and
Row.
go to the 30. We go until we go see number 42. Then we see the number above it. It's 7. And that's how we know the equation.
So 6 multiplied by 7 equals 42. And 42 divided by 6 equals 7. Thank you, Muhammad Hani. Great work. Wow, I like my heroes. Now you understand what we need to do. Muhammad Wael.
Yes, teacher. I want to answer. I'm Muhammad Kumail.
Okay, Muhammad Kumel, but I'm calling the names. Muhammad Wael, go ahead.
64 divided 8 equal 8.
Muhammad, this is not what I need.
Oh, okay, I know now. 8 multiply 8 equals 64.
I want it to be like question number 10. So 8 times what equals 64? I know that the answer is 8, and you know the answer is 8, but we should use this table.
Okay.
Okay, tell me how to use this table. In the row, 4.
Mm,
8. In the row for 8.
8. 8.
We need to find
Teacher Yusuf,
64.
One minute.
So this is 7, not 8, sorry.
46.
This is 64. 64 is here. Look, this is the 64. Now, what should we do?
Yeah. We're gonna go to the 64.
Yes, here is the 64. Then
we're gonna...
in what column is 64? This is the question.
What column is 64?
So we go up to see which column is this?
8.
Yes, exactly. So now you can say that 8 multiplied by 8 equals 64. And of course, 64 divided... 64 divided by 8 equals 8.
You said that my name
Thank you,
Yusuf
my girl.
Harbi.
You cannot ask this question, Yusuf. When I call you, answer me. Respond only when I call you. Okay, thank you, Muhammad.
Teacher, I want to answer
Yasin? Yasin, no, you will not answer. I'm sorry. I was just calling your name. Okay, Yasin, you will not answer because you used your mic without permission. Yasin.
Yes.
Are you going to use your mic again without permission?
No.
Okay, Yasin, let's go. Go ahead, question number 12.
Okay. 30. Okay,
35 divided by 7. What should we do?
7 multiply what equals 35?
Mm-hmm.
We will go to number 7.
Yes, let's use the table. This is the 7. And in the 7, what should we find?
We will go to the 35.
Okay.
Equal 5. We will go up and we will see 5.
Excellent. Wow, I like how you explain. So, 7 times 5 equals 35. And 35 divided by 7 equals 5. Okay, so my heroes, as you see here, it's not about just the facts, it's about how to use the multiplication table. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Any questions?
No.
Now, my heroes, I will send to you the link of the game. Now, let's start solving. Okay, Muhammad Kumail.
Yes, teacher.
Do you see the question?
Yes.
Use this table, the multiplication table. Of course, you have a multiplication table in your book. You don't need to use this small one. You have a large one in your book. So just use the one in your book. And tell me.
We will come to
the row
9.
For 9. And the column for 9.
Then
and where they meet?
81.
81. Thank you, Muhammad. Great work. Okay, the next question. Muhammad Fahad.
Yes, teacher.
Which row and which column?
49.
Okay, but you didn't answer me. The row for 7 and the column for 7. Thank you, Muhammad. Muhammad Mahdi?
Yes, mister, yes.
In the row for 4, we should find 32. And the 32 in which column?
7.
Oh, no. Are you sure? You should make sure of this. Check it again. This is not the column of 7. This is not the column
No.
for the 7. It's the column for the 8. Check it, Muhammad. Okay, thank you, Muhammad.
Welcome, mister.
Muhammad Al-Hawail?
Yes, teacher.
In which column should we, in which row? In the row for the 5. We should find 25. In which column? Yes, Muhammad. I cannot hear you.
Or 3.
No, Muhammad, focus.
3.
How? 3. Check it again.
5.
Yes, check it in the table, in the multiplication table. This is the column for the 5.
No, I don't see it.
Okay, check it again, and if you have any problems, let me know. Okay, my heroes. The next question, Yusuf. 56 divided by 8. Yusuf?
Yes, teacher.
Quickly, Yusuf.
56 divide 8 equal 56 divided by
In
8
the row
equals
for the 8.
7.
Yes, in the row for the 8, we find 56 in which column? It's in the 7th column. Okay, my heroes, I will continue because we don't have time. In the row for 7, we will find 28 in which column? So it's in the column for the 4. In the column for 4, we will find 24 in which column? In the row for 4, we will find 24 in which column? And we'll find it in the column for the 6. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Any questions?
No.
Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow and goodbye.
Bye. Bye, teacher. Tomorrow.